else is irrelevant.
Yo, what up, man? We here with my man Bentley the Kid. Straight out of Allentown. No, just kidding. He's from here, from the X. 183rd, Andrews. Holla at us. Nigga, 184 grand, represent all day, whatever. What's the beat, yo? We don't got no beats? No beats. Go to YouTube, grab a beat, any beat.
Everything else is irrelevant. We got my man Sosa in the building, a.k.a. Coca. Young boy Slim Thug, the conspiracy king.
Yo, what we doing?
What's up, Waldy? Put a beat on for me.
I can't just put beat.
And I'm the kid.
Alright, hold on, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, cause this nigga on this shit.
Let's go. Wait, hold on. Time. Yeah.
For YouTube, H.M., BX. Everything else is irrelevant. Yeah, all my shit dope. All I do is smoke that dope. All my shit dope. All I do is smoke that dope. Roll that dope. Pass that dope. Can't fuck with the kid, nigga, you trash, I'm dope. Nigga, my flow is fantastic. Yeah, run up on the kid, you get your ass kicked. You stupid, you need your ass beat. Tony Richards, you niggas is funny, you got trash streets. It's mine, the locks without Jada. Styles P, what up? They haters, not y'all. The whack niggas, smack y'all whack niggas in the back of the head with a baseball bat, nigga. Off the T.O.P., it's the G.O.D., yeah, you know me. A.M.O.B., I'm a G from the streets, nigga, 183. Nigga, look at my trees, everything D.O.P.E. Niggas can't fuck with the kid, it's 187, yeah, you know what it is. Niggas can't touch the kid, it's 187, yeah, you know what it is. All my shit dope, off the top of the head, ain't none of this wrote. I mean, none of it is written, Nas Illmatic, my shit hitting. Yeah, all my shit dope, I don't give a fuck, nigga, please pass that smoke. We got Young Just in the building, and you know all the children's asleep, cause they can't be us. I mean up, yeah, they can't fuck with us, even though I fucked it up. I don't give a fuck, so pass the Dutch. I smile, I go wild, my style is so foul. I don't give a fuck about you niggas, no profile. Smile for the camera, lights, cameras, action, y'all niggas faggots. Yeah, all my shit dope, no question. That nigga in the building, yes, representing. Yeah, my HM fan forever, the one and only, so dope, the big bearer. Heineken or Corona. If she's bad and I'm a boner. Nigga, I never had the loner. Motherfucking thing, I do my thing, I'm a Sonya. That don't make no sense. I don't give a fuck about that. Pineapple up in my piece of rocky suckers.
They don't even got the hook, that's crazy.